Okay, part 2 of this video. Okay. Okay. I blew his battery once. Say that. Oh, I hate some blows. Bug somewhere in here.
Want a treat for your feet? Slip into something really neat. Want a bigger pillow pet? Jumbos are the biggest yet. Want a free pillow pet? You can go to pillowpet.com and see all the
I have this right here.
promo code classic and receive
In this case that holds 18 hex bugs. Yeah. Also I have the case, the hex bug case. I have a battle kit. Where are you, battle kit? Here it is. I have that rare yellow one right there. Nobody's went to the big one. I'll put this here until somebody comes to it. Nobody. Nobody? Uh-oh. Broke. I'm sorry, I got a broken piece. Now it's fixed. Hex bug trap. You call it the hex bug trap. Oh, a hex bug goes in. Hex bug will never come out. Ooh, this takes a long time. Ooh, I'm chatting today. Oh, used to be a battle bug go through. Look at that thing go. Oh, cross paths with one and then knock it down. Go, battle bug, get up. Oh, I'll just put cactus starting line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds to get through. Let's see a hex bug. Full power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 11 seconds. 11 and a half. Okay, a little bit of calmer for a second. Let's check it. here's the bug, the hex bug that came with this. Okay, so this one, it's not gonna turn up. Okay, right here. Sorry if this screen is a little bit blurry for now. Temporarily, but it's pretty much set. Pretty good. There's a low battery. I'm turning it off for a little bit. So I get you new battery. My rare hex bug right here. I think it said on the box very rare. You can't find it that much in that much places. I saw like maybe like only 2 in a store. Only 2. I probably never have saw any ever. This one's full on battery too. Sorry, but oh my god, this one's low too. Oh my god, this one is not even moving. Look at it. That one's the lowest. Oh, I'm putting this bugs high speed. Oh, this one's also rare kind of. Came with this. The Hexbug starter, the Hexbug starter, one dark starter set. Low battery. Anyway, I have a lot of pieces here. My cousin's loaned me some pieces. Yeah. Still a good deal. Woo! I'm like, just checking it out for a little bit until I get it back. Also, this one I'm loaning from the same. My Hexbug one is on Starship again. This is my most favorite one. The swirly, not the swirly like the bathroom. They go much faster when they go down. Oh, fucking Let's go. Going up. Let's see. I got a little bit more minutes left on my sleeve. Got a few more minutes up my sleeve, and then I'm just going to turn this off and do part 3. Sometimes I get back up. In this case, low power. Nothing gets back up. Oh, seriously, my battle bot would have. My battle bug. I've got up there myself. Come on, battle bug. You suck. Oh, you suck. This one. Let me get up. Okay, guys. I'll come back in a little bit for part 3. Bye.